Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. So today is Monday, the 10th of November, and we're seeing the crypto market. Everything right now is turning green. I'm gonna share my screen quickly, like to show you, because yesterday I posted a video talking about the possibility for the entire week to turn green. So it's a big week for crypto, big pump is coming for crypto. So we're just going to dive into it quickly, and I'll tell you what my price point is as we're going into this week. Of course, I told you last video that I released yesterday, talking about BTC. If Bitcoin could close above 104,000, then we can enter into this week looking, to get the bulls back on track. And that is what we just saw, because the bulls are finally back. Now, look at this. Bitcoin closed already Sunday above 104,000, and everything right now is pretty green. Let me just share my screen quickly. I'll show you what the market is looking like right now. So if you look at the market, you will see that everything right now is just pumping. Everything is pumping. Now, BTC, of course, BTC is doing, where's BTC? Yeah, 1%. You can see BTC right here. And you can see the entire market, everything looking green as the week, as we're going into this week. Today being Monday, the 10th, a lot of things are going to go down for crypto. Like I said, as BTC was able to close above 104,000, what the price we're looking for BTC is above 110K before the week close. Then we can see maybe higher, at least 110K. Then we can see how the bulls will completely take charge before the week runs out. Now, of course, there's some other crypto I'm looking at. Ladies and gentlemen, you guys know on this channel, if you follow me, if you're watching for the first time, please like, subscribe, follow my channel for more to get insight, updates about the different crypto prices. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is Crepe. Of course, the market is closing. The market's also looking good for Crepe. What I will say is that Crepe is going to pump up to that 405 level. That's what I'm looking for before the end, like before midweek. If Crepe could able to do that, then we can see higher prices for Crepe before the weekend. Of course, not a financial advice, but of course, if you're watching my channel for the first time, we give insights about what we're going to expect in the crypto market. Of course, the different opportunities right there that would come in as the week goes. XRP, you can see XRP also 1%. Shiba Inu, it dropped it dropped 1-0, of course, because of the dump in the previous week. We saw Shiba Inu recovering. Now, let's see if Shiba Inu could go higher, I would say, because if we have a critical support for Shiba Inu at that 402 level. That's resistance. That's 402 level. Now, if Shiba Inu could break that, then it can go back. It can go higher to that 4054 level, 405 level. Well, let's go. We're going to see how the week will play out for Shiba, how the week will play out for Crepe, how the week is going to play out for XRP, Aster. Ladies and gentlemen, Aster, of course, we're going to see. Let me see. Aster should be somewhere. Let's see. We're going to see Aster. So I'm looking at Aster coin. Let's see. Aster should be there at 100 and okay. We see zbcn. Let me see. Aster because Aster is sitting at a market cap of $2 billion, ladies and gentlemen. $2 billion. So if we see, the upward movement for Aster, hitting that $1.05 level, $1.05, then we can see that Aster could go higher. Let's see. Because last time I was talking to someone, I said we can see also a huge price run up for Aster. Then yes, so Aster is sitting right now at 1.09 at the point of recording. Right now, we see that Aster price is also green, 6% gain already. 24-hour candle. Then we're going to see Aster moving up from here. The next resistance for Aster is going to be at that $1.20. That is $1.20 level. If Aster can break that to go upward, then of course we can see more upside for Aster. But I believe the week is too young. The general market is recovering. Then we can expect a huge pump going into midweek. Of course, ladies and gentlemen, I cannot wait to tell you. Like, I'm really excited about what is going to take place between the next 2 weeks in this November. I'm really, really ready to take some profit. But of course, please, not everything that I say here is financial advice. Be ready, to make your own research, DCA, and of course, don't invest anything that you're not willing to lose. Please don't invest it. So, of course, those of you that are asking me about Wikicat, I believe Wikicat is going to do well. Believe me, Wikicat will do well. It's a matter of you being patient, because I believe Wikicat has the community. Wikicat has the right project, the right team. So you don't have to be worried about this project. Though, of course, no real movement, for the past 1 month. I mean, the entire crypto market has been fluctuating, but we're going to see Wikicat exponentially rise as all the crypto markets is going to be booming. XPIN, a lot of people say I'm crazy, but I'm telling you, when this crypto is ready to go up, nothing that can stop it. Please believe me. Of course, XPIN as well, I'm expecting this crypto right here. My prediction for XPIN before the week run out is that XPIN is going to get to that at least 1 cent. Before this week run out, XPIN recovering and going to its bullish momentum, I believe it's going to do that 1 cent level. If you can quote me anywhere, I'm still telling you, XPIN, those of you that are investing in XPIN, congratulations, because I can tell you that XPIN can drop 1-0. Yeah, XPIN is sitting right now at 0.203 and 204 before the week, and on the hourly, XPIN is still down, but I believe it's going to rise up because the next level of support for XPIN will be that 0.004 level. Of course, if it gets to that level, then we're going to see more, upward momentum for XPIN. But I'm believing that this crypto will rush. I mean, it's going to hit high notes so quickly. It's going to, be crushing like so quickly. It's going to drop a 0. And please don't get me wrong on this one. Don't be sleeping on XPIN. Believe me. So we're going to be seeing these cryptos doing exponential growth before the week run out. And I'm also expecting COAI. I've been talking about this crypto for a long time, ladies and gentlemen. COAI. Let's see. I'm seeing also COAI, of course. These this is not a new project, but I like, in fact, do your own research. I believe it's an AI project that you guys don't want to be sleeping on right now. It's dropped all the way from, you know, 40, almost $40 all the way to one. Please, you don't want to be sleeping on this crypto. This is a huge week that's going to be flipping green. As you can see the market right now reacting, the bulls. In fact, this is just a week of recovery. It's not even huge momentum yet. So notice that this is the week where people who bought while it's low will take profit. You understand? This is a week where people who bought low will be taking profit, because if you bought when it's totally dropped down, that means as it's going up, when you come back to that, its normal level recovers, that means you're already in profit. That even before it starts moving more higher. I mean, you can think about that. So that's why I believe I encourage people, to be doing what we call DCA, dollar cost averaging, as the market goes up. So I'm very enthusiastic. The market is flipping green already. We're going to see a big pump for these cryptos going upward. And of course, I can't wait to enter the middle of this month of November, because, ladies and gentlemen, like I told you, we're going to be seeing the bull coming back to take control. For Shiba, I'm of Shiba Inu. I support Shiba. I'm also in Crepe. I'm also in XPIN. I'm also in COAI. Ladies and gentlemen, of course, not a financial advice. Do your own research, especially those of you in the household of faith. We know the prophetic coins. I've been sharing some prophetic coin in the channel. Please do your own research and invest not more than you're willing to lose. And of course, for those of you who still are new to crypto, you don't know how to invest, St.JamesCrypto is here to help you, set you up for this bull run so that you would be making profit. So see my premium membership in this channel and join our Telegram group for more information to guide you. And we're going to be having a weekly crypto, Zoom meeting to ask questions, answer questions, and of course to tell you what's new in the space. So God bless you, brothers and sisters. See you on the next one. It's a great Monday. A lot of things are happening. I can't wait to be sharing my gains with you, of course. Thank you, and have a wonderful rest of your Monday. Bye-bye.